for a project. So we'll see what is static code analysis. Okay, Sonar Cube tool is used for static code analysis. And what is static code analysis is, I'll tell you. See, everyone will write code for a project. Okay, and that code will be tested and will be working fine. Perfectly without any issues. Okay, everyone will write code for a project and that code will be tested and will be working fine perfectly without any issues. See, whenever you develop a code, okay, what you want to remember is whenever you develop a code, in addition to working off the code, the quality of code is also important. The quality of a code. The quality of code is also important. Okay, we can say like the good quality code is more reliable than bad quality of. Okay, so the quality of code is also important. So that good quality code is more reliable than bad quality. Okay, so static code analysis will determine the quality of the code. Okay, so static code analysis will determine quality of code, and the tool to use static code analysis is Sonar Cube. So Sonar Cube tool is used to determine or to do static code analysis. Okay. So basically, static code analysis, what it will do is, will identify bugs, vulnerabilities, and code smells. Vulnerabilities and code smell. So what do you mean by bugs is, so static code will identify bugs, vulnerability, code smell in the code. See, what do you mean by bugs means? See, bugs are nothing but it is a coding mistake. Okay, that can lead to an error or unexpected behavior of the program during running, during execution. Okay, these are all bugs. It's a coding mistake that can lead to an error or unexpected behavior of the program during execution. Okay. So this is what we call bugs. And vulnerabilities is, the next one is vulnerabilities. Vulnerabilities is, so it is a piece of code, or we can say like this, a piece of code Okay, that is open for security issues. A piece of code that is open for, see, suppose you write a code and that code is not secure, and anyone can hack that particular part of the code. So that is called vulnerability. Okay. And so another one is code smell. The another is code smell, right? See, code smell, we can say a maintainability issue that makes code confusing and difficult to maintain. And difficult to maintain. So this is called code smell. Just 1 minute, I'm getting one call, 1 minute. Huh? Yeah, all right then. Sorry, I got one call. Yeah, so static code analysis will identify bugs, vulnerabilities, and code smell in the code. So, okay. So if you use Sonar Cube tool is used to do static code analysis. So Sonar Cube tool will identify bugs, vulnerabilities, code smell. And based on this, okay, we can fix all these. Okay, if Sonar Cube gives 0 bugs, 0 vulnerabilities, 0 vulnerabilities, and 0 code smells, then the quality of code is 100%. Is 100% good quality. Okay, then the quality of code is 100% good quality. See, for example, in bugs, we'll take an example, small example. What kind of bugs? Suppose you are handling some file IO operations from Java. Suppose if you are not, suppose in the program, if file resources are not closed, then this will be bug. So we have to close the file resources, like file input stream or file output stream, then this will be bug. Okay. See, vulnerabilities are like kind of you are in database in JDBC. I'm just giving an example. In JDBC code, how many of you know JDBC code? Okay. If you use statement instead of prepared statement for executing SQL query, then this might be vulnerability, because this might lead to security issue, because this might lead to SQL injection issue. SQL injection or security issue. Okay, next in code smell, I'm just giving an example. Okay, this is an example. Suppose you are using a variable int x, int y equal to 23, and you are nowhere using this x, you just declared it. Okay, nowhere using x, but just declare. This is unnecessary, right? Without using y you have to declare. Okay, this is a code. It is a code smell, a maintainable issue that makes code confusing and difficult to maintain. Right? Without using this x value anywhere in the program, why you declare? So this is a kind of a code smell. Okay, so these are all kind of examples. So bugs, vulnerabilities, code smell. So Sonar Cube, if Sonar Cube gives 0 bugs, 0 vulnerabilities, and 0 code smells, then the quality of code is 100% good quality. Okay. So how to actually install Sonar Cube in your system? So whenever you do the program, so whenever you implement the program, so first do the static code analysis from your local system using Sonar Cube to see any bugs or vulnerabilities or code smells in your code. So for that, first you want to do in your local system, right? So first you should install. So first install Sonar Cube in your machine. So what are the steps we follow is first step. So download Sonar Cube free edition. Okay. So if I go here, sonarcube.org/downloads. See, this is your Sonar Cube. You can download this community edition, download for free. Okay. Static one is for 17 languages. So Java, C#, JavaScript, TypeScript, CloudFormation, Terraform, Kotlin, Ruby, Go, Scala. So it can scan for any of these programming languages, the code written in any of these programming languages. Okay. We can download this for free. Okay. Already I've downloaded this. And after I downloaded, see, Sonar Cube has been downloaded here. So this I downloaded. You'll get a zip file. You can extract that. So download Sonar Cube free edition, http www.sonarcube.org/downloads. So this will download the community edition, free edition or community edition. So free edition or community edition. So once you download this, so extract the downloaded zip and it will be extracted to a folder. So this is your folder. Okay. Now go to your conf folder. Okay. So what you do, second step. So go to conf folder. And edit sonar.properties. So these are the properties you have to edit. Okay. So what are the properties you have to edit is sonar.web.host. So this is the property you have to edit. And then sonar.web.port. Okay, so when I say like this, so you can have like this. So when I say like this, what will happen is any request from any IP address can access Sonar. See, you will be running Sonar Cube as a application, web application. And Sonar Cube will be running in a port 9000. See, Sonar Cube you can access Sonar Cube. See, when you start Sonar Cube, when Sonar Cube is started, internally it starts an application server. So we can access Sonar Cube from a web page. Sonar Cube from browser. Okay, we can use as a web page. Are you able to see my screen, right, everyone? Everyone is able to see my screen, right? Okay, fine. Yeah, you can extract the zip folder to anywhere in your either in your C drive or D drive, wherever you have the space, you extract the download zip and you extract it to a folder. Okay, and then you can actually we have to edit these properties. Okay, 0.web.host in the sonar.properties where in the conf folder. Say for example, you're extracting the download zip and request to a folder called in the C drive, you have like sonar cube folder. Now in sonar cube folder, go to conf folder inside the C folder and edit sonar.properties. So you have to edit this. So okay. Now, so what you can do now, see when our sonar cube is started, internally starts an application server. We can access sonar cube from a browser as a web page. See how to start sonar cube server. So how to start sonar cube server? See, you have to go to your bin folder. In the bin folder, you have to go to Windows. If you are using Linux, you have to go for Linux. Or if you're using Mac OS, you have to go to Windows means Windows. Okay, then you have to start this sonar. That means, so go to and invoke start sonar batch file. Dot bat file. So shall we start the sonar? We'll see now. So what I'll do is, so go to command prompt. CD, then start sonar. So start sonar. So go to your command prompt. In this path, call this command. Sonar cube is operational. Now, can we access this sonar cube from the browser? So it is running in my local host, right? Local host 9000. Now I say sonar cube is coming. Log into sonar cube. So I'll say admin. Password is the default user ID is admin. Password is admin. I think authentication failed. Why means? I think I have said reset the password for this. So, but first time when you log in, it will be admin. Okay, what I'll do is let me download the sonar cube. Again, I'll do freshly. I forget the password, what I have reset. So let me download this. I'm downloading it. So it is downloading here. Okay. Say I'm downloading here. I'm copying this zip file here. Now I can extract here. Extract to okay. Now I'll say conf sonar.properties. I think you have to change this. Okay, so I'll just remove the uncomment here. Commented. I'll just comment on this. This is indicate sonar web.host and web.port. So now what I'll do is I'll save this. Now go to your bin folder. Copy this. This is my bin folder. What I'll do? So go to Windows 64. So start sonar. So again, so sonar will be starting. One minute. Sometimes it depends on your machine load. Actually. Server should start. Okay, now first time when you give, it will be admin, first time. Then you can reset the password. So first time user ID password is admin. Now you can give, you can reset the password. Old password will be admin. New password I'm changing admin@123. Admin@123. Okay, just for A is capital. Now you see, you are able to log into the Sonar Cube. And here you can see what projects you can, okay, all that we can see. Okay. So what we will do is, we'll try to integrate one Maven project. So once you have set up the Sonar Cube, right? So we will try to, so first time user ID password is admin. So we can reset the password. So once login, This will land into dashboard page. Okay. See, now what we can do is we can integrate a Java Maven project with the Sonar Cube and so that Sonar Cube will do the static code analysis. So we can integrate Java Maven project with Sonar Cube so that Sonar Cube will do the Java static code. So to integrate with this, so what you have to go to is, so we should have like this. So take a Maven project now. We'll build a Maven project. Let us take one Maven project. Okay. Let me now create one Maven project. I'll create one Maven project, some data processor. I want to run the static code Sonar Cube report for this project. So what this data processor will do is, let me change this 1.5 version to 17. So let me read a file here. See, what I'll do is I'll read a file. So here I'll use file reader. You know Java file operations, right? File reader. FR is equal to new file reader of data.txt. Okay. Then I'll say this throws exception. Then I'll say buffered reader BR is equal to new buffered reader of FR. Now I'll say string str is equal to null while str is equal to br dot read line. Not equals. I'll just print like this: system dot out dot println of str. Okay. I'm just reading a file here. So in data.txt, I have some file. It's a text file. Okay. So I'm creating a file here, data.txt. And here I'll put some like India, US, UK, France, Germany. These are the countries, okay? Something like China, Russia, Sri Lanka. Okay, these are all some countries, okay? So I'll just run this. Okay, so I'm reading the data here from this file and printing here, okay? So this is a file operation. So you have to know about this Java file operations. I'm reading the data and I'm printing that. Now this program is working fine, but we have to see whether this quality of the code is good or not. This program is running fine, is working, but need to see the quality of the code is good or not. So for that, what we do, we integrate this program with the Sonar Cube. And how we do is, so what we'll do is we'll create, so we integrate this Maven project with Sonar Cube. So with Sonar Cube, running in local to determine any bugs or vulnerabilities or code smells, etc. So tomorrow we'll see how we'll integrate this project with Sonar Cube. Now today we have set up the Sonar Cube, and then I have actually written a program, Maven project. And tomorrow we'll see how we can scan this program with Sonar Cube. Any doubt? Any questions? Username is admin only the password only. Yeah, I forwarded all your resumes to the company, HR. So they are asking even Spring also, knowledge on Spring. See, buffered reader and all that is a core Java part. If you want me to explain that, it will take some time for me. All right then. So tomorrow we are going to run this program and see whether the static code analysis report. Okay, tomorrow we'll see that. All right then. Thank you all. See you tomorrow. Yeah, you have to wait for the call from HR. How to start Sonar Cube server? Huh? Simple, very simple. So you have to go to that particular bin folder in the Windows folder, invoke from the command prompt. Okay, anyhow, I'll share you this Sonar step notes also to everyone. Okay, tomorrow we are going to see. Tomorrow Sonar will be completed. Sonar is very small topic. So tomorrow Sonar Cube will be completed. Next week onwards, so we'll see other tools. So with tomorrow, 5 tools will be completed. All right then. Thank you all. See you tomorrow. Buffer header, I have to tell actually. There's a core Java part, right? That it will take some time for tomorrow. I'll let you know. Okay. Okay. Thank you all.